Okay, guys, so a little while back, I made this TikTok and it went viral. Yay, me! But there was some comments and concerns about how I installed the hair that people thought I was causing damage to my hair. So I decided to record this video of me getting my hair removed. One of the things that people don't realize about quick weaves is that people are calling quick weaves the culprit to causing damage to the hair, and it's not the quick weaves that's causing the problem. It is the improper removal of said quick weaves. So in the beginning of my TikTok, you see me put this product on my hair, and it is a solution that is water soluble, and it is made to protect the hair from being affected by the glue. So when I do my quick weaves, I have to use it because I have a mild allergy to the glue, which causes my scalp to bump up and things like that. So the solution allows the solution to stick to my hair and the glue to stick to the solution. When it's time for it to come out, all you do is rinse the hair with warm water until all of the protective product dissolves, and it'll just lift right off your head. There's no glue to comb out. There's no shampooing. There's no putting oil. There's no using Dawn detergent to get it out, which a lot of people resort to and have been semi successful. The problem with those methods is that they will cause damage to your hair, whether it's drying it out or sometimes people get impatient and just pull it out beforehand. Also, with the protective solution, the key is definitely patience, because if you try to shampoo it out, it makes it all gooey, and then you have the problem of trying to comb it out. You have to just continue to rinse, massage, and gently lift the tracks, and it will come out, um leaving no residue in your hair. That's the key. You just have to keep rinsing, keep rinsing, keep rinsing with warm water. You can see this steam on here. My girl was trying to burn my head, but it's all good. So just be patient when you're using this solution. I've seen other stylists use caps and paper in between the solution, and it's really not necessary if you just educate yourself and educate your clients on how to take it out properly. Most of my clients, if I do this method on their hair, I tell them get in the shower and just let the water run in your head and massage it until it comes out. And I've never had a client call me like, oh, I can't get it out. It always comes out just rinsing it with the solution. So um, message me. You can leave a message below if you have any comments, or maybe you've had some experience with this product. But this is my experience, and I've been doing this for years. And people were commenting on how thin my hair is, and that's just, I have thin hair in my family. Um, I was a cancer survivor, and after my chemo, my hair just did not come back as thick. And I mean, hey, it is what it is. But I'm not pulling out the little bit of hair I have left by, and I just don't like long hair anyway, so that's why it's short most of the time. Um, Everybody has a preference, and mine is just short. I live in Florida. It's hot. I'm a big girl. I sweat a lot. I don't have time for a bunch of hair. So this is my method, and as you can see now, it's starting to come off. It's only just a little piece left, and after that, she's gonna take the braid out and just shampoo my hair like regular. So you guys can continue to watch. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thanks.